So today we're going to unbox this. This one is the energy and water efficiency starter kit from Socal Gas Company. So it says save natural gas and reduce water consumption. So I'm not sure if I need to install this gas kit, how it's supposed to work and stuff. So anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this. So here's the installation instruction. It's in Spanish. Oh, so this is for the sink faucet sprout. And then there's another nozzle adapter right here. Wow. 1, 2. So you have 3 different settings. Right here is 1 already, 2, and then 3. See what else is in here. So it's 0.5 gallon per minute, or the 1.0, and then 1.5. And here's the installation instruction. Wow, cool. You give it a shower head. So right here you could adjust the strength or how the spray. There's a netting and then an O-ring there. So I got 1 shower head, and this is another shower head. And here's another nozzle replacement. Alright, so that's all for the water saving. I don't see any gas saving, so probably use less water or less hot water, so your gas doesn't burn as much to heat up your water. Alright? Alright, so be sure to use like a hand towel and then a wrench to cover the towel so it won't mess up the nozzle, okay? And I just did a hand tie on the other one. So as you see, this is the old one. It's kind of molded. But this one is already saved water already, but might as well put the new one in there. So this is the new one. So I'm gonna turn it on. And I'm gonna show you the other one. So with this one, I had to put the extra O-ring, the thicker one that came with it. Or else the water is gonna squirt around the edges. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.